On the outskirts of Darwin, Jack and Kelly Barker are spending their school holidays rounding up beetles, and it's paying off.
I've always been dreaming of starting my own business. I didn't know that these bugs were worth $2 each.
They're collecting the Calligrapha beetle, which was introduced into the Northern Territory in 1989 to control the spread of Sida weed. It's an invasive weed found throughout the top end, and it prevents livestock from grazing on grass. The beetles were released in hundreds of locations to help farmers.
The Calligrapha beetle is the perfect biological control because it only eats cider. So once that cider weed population is gone, it doesn't eat anything else, which makes it perfect for the purpose that we're doing.
For Jack and Kelly, searching for the beetles on their property is easy work. They say you only need to look for the cider weed in order to find some.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah.
There's a few.
Oh, perfect. Yep, there we go.
We get the beetles and we collect them in, and then every time we get one, we then use this button to click. And then once we're done, we fill up this bucket of cider grass.
So far, they have sold a total of 150 beetles, and they say after customers release the beetles in the area, it's only a matter of time until the beetles have done their job.
Putting the beetles out, it takes a few weeks for you actually to see the stick of the old cider plant.
Selling an alternative solution to a top-end pest. Peter Lacey, ABC News.